Hi, this is a video on how to make your section of your scrapbook for each week of the course. So what you will do is open up Microsoft Word, and first thing is in the upper right corner, put your name, and then in the center, in the top, you want to center this, put the title, and here I just put Scrapbook for World Civ. If it's U.S. History, obviously put Scrapbook for U.S. History. And then I put a chapter name here, Chapter 1, The Earliest Human Societies. So now I'll go ahead and get started on my first image. Remember, you'll have 3 images for each week, and the images should relate to 3 events that you think are important for the reading. So I want you to make that decision on what 3 events you want to include. It could be an event, actually, it could be a human that is discussed in the reading. It could be anything that's in the reading as long as you can tell me why you think it's important. So let's go ahead and get started with the first image. So I'll go ahead and click on Insert Picture and select the picture. And here you can sort of get creative if you want and decide how you want to organize the images. You could put them just one on top of the next, or you could arrange them and have them overlap like a collage. That's totally up to you. But what I like to do is click on this layout options, and I go to the tight option here, and that allows me to move the image around. So at this point, then I will right click on the image and go to Insert Caption and click OK here. And what I do next is I have to have a title for the picture. So, and then I have to have 2 facts. So I did this ahead of time, and I'm just going to copy and paste it in here. So I have, this is a Neolithic temple, and then I have my 2 facts. And the 2 facts need to be in your own words. If you do use a quotation or something like that, make sure you use quotation marks. And then underneath the 2 facts, I have my source for the image. Okay, and as far as the source for the facts go, I'm assuming most of the time you would use the textbook, which is totally fine. That's what I would do. If you use an outside source, please list that in the caption here. So for example, if fact number 2 here came from a different book I have or a website, I would just simply put the source for that below here. So at this point, I click off the caption, and I would go ahead and insert my next image.